graphic interface is the computer environment that the programmer interacts with when developing code. In this video, we're going to take a look at Scratch's development environment. Before we start programming, we need to take a look at Scratch's development environment. In order to enter Scratch's development environment, you need to click on the Create button on the upper left-hand corner of the Scratch website. The Scratch IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is broken up into 4 sections. On the upper left-hand side is where you see your program in action. This is where when you test or try to debug your program, you can see what's happening. Underneath are your resources. This is where you have and see your sprites and your stages, and we'll get into that in more detail as we program. The middle here, this is the most important. This part is your commands. You can see the commands are broken up into various categories such as motion, looks, and so forth. And as we again program, we'll explore these commands in depth. But I like to think about it as a well-organized toolbox in which each one of these sections are drawers, and in those drawers are like commands. So for example, in a toolbox you'll have a screwdriver drawer, and in there will be every different kind of screwdriver. Well, in your motion drawer you have all the commands that relate to motion. And of course, the big area on the right, this is what is called your workspace. And this is where you're going to write all your scripts or all your programming to get your program to run the way you want it to run.